still can't believe this place is in Washington. Poulsbo is known as Little Norway, and honestly, it completely lives up to the name. Everything here feels peaceful, cozy, and unbelievably beautiful. From the amazing, beautiful street to the waterfront view, every corner feels special. Every cafe and restaurant here feels warm, peaceful, and incredibly inviting. And bakeries here, easily one of my favorite part. Just a 35-minute ferry ride from Seattle, and it feels like a completely different world.